Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Okay. So you're gonna go head.
Okay, wait. Head.
Yeah. This is your
Shoulders.
This is left shoulder.
Left shoulder.
Okay.
Okay.
This is your right shoulder.
Right shoulder.
Right knee.
Right knee.
Or left knee.
Left knee.
Right knee.
Right knee.
Toes.
Toes. And then roll it.
Yeah. And then you're gonna use.
I've watched enough of your videos. How do you do the giraffe?
Okay, I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna take your pinky finger right here.
Pinky finger right here.
And as you come in, you're gonna use your pinky to push it underneath and tuck.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh!
And then.
Is that how you make? It's how you make oven spring.
Oh yeah. Okay, and then you're gonna grab your Banneton.
I want this one.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Okay.
Floured Bannetons.
Yep. Flowered
Bannetons.
Bannetons.
And then you're just gonna
Oh, no scoop.
pick your dough up,
Okay.
pop it in.
Okay, so we're gonna pick our dough up. Just plop it.
Beautiful. And then give it a nice jiggle.
Give him a nice jiggle.
Now, do it again, but no instructions this time.
Okay. Right here. Okay, so we want to stretch it out. What is slow? Okay, we're like going like full.
I'm not instructing you. You're on your own.
I know. I thought you were. My bad. Sorry. It's the middle. Okay. So camera's still recording. We're gonna get a newbie doing this one now. Okay, when you're done, I need the whole area. Here's your Banneton. Flip it over.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. Okay, this was for me. Okay. Okay, so this. We go. Head. Shoulders. Knees. And toes.
Yeah.
Okay, and then tuck.
Tuck and pull.
And then, can I pick it up and move it?
Of course you can.
Okay, pick it up. Oh.
Don't go down. You're pushing down too much.
Okay, sorry.
Pinkies, remember?
Pinky.
Nice.
Okay, and then, well, one more.
Nice.
All right, this. I watch a lot of these guys. There you go. And then this.
Yep. Beautiful.
If you guys want a beginner's review, I was only able to do this from literally watching her videos before I post them. So you just want to.
And then.
Where are we?
All of
for
these.
Tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of these are going into the fridge overnight for cold proof.